5, 6, 7,
I
8.
found my old phone today in a box that I had hidden away. Nostalgia trying to lead me astray. Maybe I'll right some wrong. I charged the battery again. Combinations cause my passcode had changed. Opened up and saw familiar names. Now I wonder where they've gone. Conversations with my dead friends. Messages from all my exes. I kinda think that this was best left in the past where it belongs. I feel an overwhelming sadness of all the friends I do not have left. Seeing how my family has fractured, growing up and moving on. I found my old phone today. Arguments that I tried to keep at bay. The ones who loved me, I just pushed them away. Couldn't tell the difference from the leeches. My closed hand still holds some mates. But if I'm open, it gets smaller day by day. I can't tell if it is pleasure or pain. Trying to keep within my remit. Conversations with my dead friends. Messages from all my exes. I kinda think that this was best left. They're in the past where it belongs. I feel an overwhelming sadness of all the friends I do not have left. Seeing how my family has fractured, growing up and moving on. So full of love, yet so full of hate. I put it back inside there from whence it came. Nothing good will come from regretting. Conversations with my dead friends. Messages from all my exes. I kinda think that this was best left. They're in the past where it belongs. I feel an overwhelming sadness of all the friends I do not have left. Seeing how my family has fractured, growing up and moving on. I found my old phone today.
This dance is Old Phone, choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side touch, side chassé, cross rock, recover. Section 2, quarter turn left, stepping left to side to face 9, point right to side, quarter turn right, stepping forward on right, facing 12. Point left forward, opening shoulders to right diagonal, 130. Step forward on left, squaring to 12. Quarter turn left, stepping right to side. Quarter turn, sailor step. Now facing 6. Section 3. Syncopated shuffle. Forward, hold, step left behind, forward, tap, left behind, back, quarter turn right, stepping right to side to face 9, crush, shuffle. Last section, right side rock, recover, weave, cross, side, behind, quarter turn left, stepping left forward to face 6, step right forward, pivot a half turn left to 12. This is the end of the dance. Before you start the new wall, which will be 9 o'clock, make another quarter turn left and start over with the side touch, side touch. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And that's a whole dance.